Hi, we're the Star Warriors.
And we're on a mission.
A mission to defeat the Empire.
Da da da!
We've been working on our machine for the ME 2110 final competition for over a month now.
And we would love to run you through our design concept and describe our design evaluation process.
So our main aim with this project, apart from completing the required tasks, was to be cost efficient and for it to be easy to handle, and of course for it to be precise.
Once we knew the direction we were going in, we started to design the CAD models of our ideas to determine their feasibility.
So we created 5 designs for the system, and we would like to take a moment to explain them individually.
Our first system has a good subsection designed to clear Darth Uga because the task is completed quickly and efficiently. Clearing the fleet, however, is lacking in precision. This is because the sweeping mechanism will undergo damage because of how the arms, which the system is attached to, hit the ground. Because of this severe design trade-off, the design as a whole cannot accomplish completing each task efficiently and cannot become our selected design.
In our second design, the swiveling wedge and rail subsystem with timed release was used to accomplish the torpedo launch. For the engagement of Darth Uga, 2 sets of hinge rods attached to mousetraps were utilized, as well as folding side wings for gathering the fleet. Lastly, a rod attached to a mousetrap that is slowly released by a motor will complete the raising of the Millennium Golf Ball. Pros of this design are its simplicity and the small footprint on the base. However, it does rely heavily on the mousetraps to accomplish these tasks, and the springs tend to wear out.
Here's our third design, in which we planned on raising the Millennium Golf Ball through a PVC pipe using a motor. Now the problem with this design was that number 1, it didn't get us a very sufficient height, and number 2, that the pipe was too heavy. Apart from that, the pipe took up a lot of space on the ground, which prevented us from implementing the other systems very efficiently, which is why we decided to scrap the idea.
Design 4 has been ranked the best by the evaluation matrix and also completes all tasks without sacrificing one subsection. It is durable and easy to set up using a reliable method of raising the golf ball and tested methods of clearing Darth Uga. The system places the subsection that clears the fleet in the correct location with low probability of damage. Overall, the design requires little maintenance and is reliable.
Design 5 launches the torpedoes using a swivel rail on a wedge subsystem with a release wired to a sensor. A scissor lift on a platform raises the Millennium Golf Ball, and Darth Uga engagement and returning the fleet is done by an extendable wall system. The scissor lift on a platform would allow for a higher golf ball raise, but requires a lot of energy to overcome friction and lift the ball. Also, while the wall subsystem offers the best solution to engaging Darth Uga and gathering the fleet at the same time, extending out to those tasks on the short side proved problematic.
So we finally put together an evaluation matrix to compare the merits and demerits of each idea, and we computed a score for each design and added them up to compare how they work against each other.
The evaluation matrix helps us as a team to prioritize important traits for the final product. It did this by not letting us get distracted by unreliable subsections on any given design. The highest values assigned to the criteria on this matrix were given to the completion of every task, as well as fitting inside the box, with a value of 10. After those necessities, the next ranked 4 criteria was total automation, time limit adherence, and how well it can move. Because again, we do not want to be disqualified and get no points. We rated each of these aspects in relation with every design by evaluating how reliable all subsystems are and how accurate it performs. From this matrix, our final design total value under all the criteria was ranked the highest.
Now that we had our design ready, we decided to build towards our specifications.
We hope you found our video insightful and look forward to a great competition.